Stars of Service Annual Hospitality Excellence Awards Night. Good morning. Everyone, I am pleased to present our proposal for the prestigious and memorable event. Stars of Service Annual Hospitality Excellence Awards Night. This packet aims to celebrate the recognized excellence within the hospitality industry. Let's begin with our event objectives. We've set SMART goals to recognize outstanding hospitality and professionals. We are targeting over 300 guests from more than 50 hospitality organizations with the support of our sponsor and partners. This event aligns with the goal of uplifting moral and industry standard. It will be held on December 5, 2025. Our event is titled Stars of Service. We've designed a striking promotional poster using a navy blue and gold color palette, paired with red carpet visual to convey elegance and attract our target audience. Our communication package include a formal event proposal, eye-catching marketing materials, vendor contracts for services, personalized thank you notes for VIPs. These materials ensure professionalism and clear messaging to all stockholders. The event will take place on the Lux Bay Hotel Grand Ballroom, chosen for its 400 guest capacity, 200 vehicles parking space, modern amenities such as EV equipment, high-speed Wi-Fi, and valid parking services. Accessibility insurance covers an acoustic treatment for the exceptional experience. Guests will be served a 4-course international menu, including appetizer, entry, dessert, signature drinks, vegan and gluten-free optional are available, and wine pairing with enhance the dining experience. Event setup begins 12 hours before start time. On-site, kitchen ensured fresh food service. A VIP shuttle will be handle transportation. Safety measures include medical staff, fire exit, and insurance coverage. Our marketing strategy covers social media engagement, Facebook countdown and reminders, Instagram behind the scenes content, Twitter real-time updates and official hashtags. Our team structure is clear and efficient. Event manager oversees the entire project. Logistic lead handles setup and coordination. Marketing head ensure audience engagement. Catering and safety officers ensure quality service and safety compliance. Hosts and users welcome and assist guests. Delivery the event. Execution is divided into 3 phases: pre-event, final briefing, and setup. During event, guest support, live monitor. Post-event, clean up and vendor sign-offs. After the event, we will send digital feedback from all participants, including guests, clients, suppliers. This feedback will be helped in evaluate success and identify improvement areas for future events. In conclusion, Star of Service is more than just an awards night. This is a tribute of hospitality professionals who go above and beyond. We believe the proposal reflects our commitment to excellence and celebration in the industry. Thank you for your attention. We now welcome any question or suggestion. Thank you.